Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today we are making cauliflower potato curry. For this we need to make a masala. So take a grinder, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 1 teaspoon of coriander seed powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of Kitchen King masala. Now add 10 cloves of garlic and 1 inch chopped ginger and 1 green chili and 1 medium size onion chopped, and make it to a fine paste, adding little water. Now take a pressure cooker, add approximately 2 teaspoons of refined oil. Once oil is hot, add 1 medium size onion, finely chopped, and cook onion till brown. Once onion is brown, add our paste and stir continuously and cook for about 1 minute. Add little water and cook till oil separates. Now add approximately 200 grams of baby potato, cut into 2 pieces, and mix it well. So the masala coated over the potato, and cook potato around 2 minutes till half done. After 2 minutes, add 1 large tomato finely chopped and mix it well. After adding tomato, add salt to taste and cook it till tomato is soft. It will take around 1 to 2 minutes. Once tomato is soft, add approximately 250 grams of chopped cauliflower and mix it well, and mix it till masala coated over the cauliflower, and cook it for further 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add dry fenugreek leaf or kasuri methi in it and cook it for further half a minute. Ideally you have to add approximately 300 ml of water and pressure cook it for 1 whistle. After 1 whistle, your cauliflower potato curry is ready to eat.